Hello there and welcome to the 10-day quick view. We're going to follow the computer's main scenario to get an idea of trends. So I've plotted temperature anomalies here, and this is starting today with a really strong high pressure over the North Atlantic. So this has dragged in colder air widely across Europe. Do see something just a little bit warmer for far southeast Europe, but elsewhere 2 to 6 degrees below normal. Just a low pressure to the south of Spain bringing wet conditions for Iberia and also some showers for the Alps today. But as we move to tomorrow, these showers becoming weaker, so drying out here, and colder air has moved into southeast Europe. Staying wet for Spain, we'll see a low pressure moving into Nordic, so just bringing something wetter and windier here and a little bit warmer. By Wednesday, we see another low pressure approaching northwest Europe, so just something a little bit warmer for far North Europe. Elsewhere over much of mainland Europe, it is cold still. Still wet for Iberia and some wet conditions for far southeast Europe. By Thursday, this low pressure is starting to gain momentum, so we do see something just a little bit less cold for northern mainland Europe, and also the wind picking up here, calmer just to the south of this. Some showers still lingering for eastern Spain, but by Friday, we do see this system moving out into the Mediterranean. So we do see a brighter, drier day for Spain on Friday, and this low pressure shifting further east. So just a little bit cooler behind for Norway, Sweden, and generally just a cool flavour for much of Europe still. This weekend though, we see this high pressure starting to move east courtesy of this Atlantic low pressure that's starting to push in. So what that does is it brings southerly flow for Western Europe. So we're quickly warming up here. Still cold for Eastern Europe though. As we move through early next week, we do see temperatures really start to rocket. 3 to 7 degrees above normal for much of Europe. Just lingering a bit cooler for far southeast Europe though. And some wind and rain for UK. As we move through to mid next week, might just start to see a bit more wind clip in northern mainland Europe. Still wet and windy for the UK. Widely warm, 3 to 8 degrees above normal. Just still a little bit colder for far southeast Europe. That's it for me. For any further thoughts and opinions, please email me. Thanks for listening and stay safe.